Imagine standing at a crossroads. The path to a healthier you lies ahead. Are you ready to take the first step? Tip 1. Set realistic goals. Begin with small changes that lead to a grand transformation. As you progress, hurdle 2 appears. A balanced diet, your fuel for the journey. Tip 3. Integrate exercise, not as a chore, but as a celebration of capability. The path twists, urging you to adapt. Lifestyle changes are the bends that shape your route. Tip 4. Hydration is a silent ally. Let water be a constant companion. As you climb, remember, rest is crucial. It's the unsung hero of recovery. Tip 5. Accountability keeps you honest. Share your journey with a trusted friend. The summit nears, and with it, the realization that every step was worth its weight. Celebrate victories, no matter the scale. Each one is a landmark on your map. The journey doesn't end, it evolves. Embrace the lifestyle that once was a distant dream. Reflect on the path trodden and gaze forward. Your future self thanks you. Inspire others as you've been inspired. Your story is the beacon for someone's start. Your transformation is a tapestry of triumphs and trials, woven with persistence and patience. Embark on your weight loss journey with heart and resolve. The destination is a healthier you.